Hello friends, I'm here at a nursery and I'm going to show you all the plants are here. They're coming into all the nursery stores, so don't forget to buy things you like. I'll show you real quick. There's a bunch of bare root fruit trees and just different types of ornamental trees, but there's just tons and tons of different varieties. So go to your local nursery or at least like a home improvement store. They'll have a bunch of stuff, anything you can pick from for your landscaping or edible landscape, fruit trees, berries, and different things in that sort. But don't forget to start planting. This is the time to get them in the ground.
You doing okay back here?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. So don't forget. Here are some columnar trees, apple trees. They're really good for landscaping. They look beautiful. They don't grow wide at all. They grow about 8-10 feet tall and maximum 3 to 4 feet wide. And they come with any variety of apples. And they literally grow as a column. So there's 4 trees right there. Right there. A really awesome way to plant, good and edible landscape. So, yeah, look for a nursery near you. Everything's in now.